Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Do you know that TikTok has created TikTok Wellness Hub? The Wellness Hub feature was designed to provide its user with proper guidance on how to take care of physical and mental health. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to access TikTok Wellness Hub. So watch this video till the end. First, open your TikTok app. Then tap on search bar icon that is on the top right corner of your screen. Now type Wellness Hub. Then tap on search. Here you will find a lot of options. Choose hashtag option and tap on it. You will find a lot of hashtags related to this topic. Click on the first hashtag displayed on the screen. There you will see a link which will take you to TikTok Wellness Hub. Tap on it. Here you will find a lot of topics related to health and wellness. Choose any topic you like and keep your health physically and mentally strong. So that is how you access TikTok Wellness Hub. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.